So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are reviewing a brand new custom ROM that is Voltage OS. Now this custom ROM does not come with Google Apps pre-installed, so you have to install Google Apps on your own. I personally installed a Nick Gaps core and I think it is working pretty fine for me, and I've also installed add-ons with nick gaps to replace the AOSP apps, so you can also do that. And without any further ado, let's get into the video and let's get started with the battery backup of this ROM. Like you can see here, this ROM has 9 hours and 54 minutes of screen on time, almost 10 hours of screen on time, with 91 hours of screen off time. And talking about the idle drain, as you can see, it is pretty decent. It has a 3 milliamp hours of idle drain, so deep sleep is working perfectly fine. You don't have to worry about it. And the charging of this ROM is also pretty solid. This ROM charges from 40% to 76% in like 28 minutes. It is decent, I'll say. It's not extraordinary or anything, but it works. Now talking about the customization in this ROM, the customization comes in this power hub tab, and it has plethora of customization option. Like you can see here, there is status bar customization, then there is quick settings customization. You can adjust the position and all that. Now this ROM does not have as much customization as Spark OS or something like that, but this ROM has decent amount of customizations. Like you can see, you can adjust the theme on your personal preference, like fruit salad muted. I personally use this vibrant theme and it works perfectly fine for me. You can also tint the background by changing the luminance and chroma and all that stuff. So there's that. And then there are these buttons. This is pretty decent common stuff, like you will find it in almost all ROMs. This is not something extraordinary, but it is what it is, and I'm showing you here. Like you can see here, there, and this is also a kill app button. This is actually really useful, and these are the heads up options. I really love the heads up options in custom ROMs. I personally use custom ROM just because of the heads up situation in the MIUI. So there's that. Then there is this miscellaneous section with unlimited photo storage, unlock higher FPS in the games, and then there is this smart pixel which can help you save battery in dire times. Then in the battery options, you this is pretty decent, but this is something you don't see in most other ROMs, that is the sleep mode. Now this puts your device into a strict sleep mode. It will turn off everything, like you can see here, turn off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile data, location, sensor. Even the sensors are turned off, but the calls and stuff are working perfectly fine. You can also schedule this and you can adjust it according to your time schedule, when you sleep, when you wake, and all that stuff, and it works perfectly fine according to your routine. Talking about the camera app in this ROM, this comes with the basic MIUI camera, and you get all the basic features of MIUI camera app in this ROM. It clicks pretty decent pictures, I'll say. Like you can expect the same quality of photos as you expect in the MIUI, and all the lenses work pretty fine. Like main camera also works. Then let me show the super macro. As you can see, the super macro is also working fine, and the front camera also works. Then talking about the Play Store certification, like you can see here, the device is certified, so the banking apps work just fine. You don't have to worry about anything. I've been using banking apps in this ROM for like 4 to 5 days. I haven't faced a single issue, so I think it is pretty safe to say that banking apps work just fine in this ROM. Oh yeah, by the way, this ROM also comes with the app lock, so if you are looking for a ROM with the app lock, you can try this one. And also you can see here, the unlimited Google Pixel storage also works in this ROM. Like you can see here, the Pixel can back up unlimited photos and videos at no charge, so there's that, and it's excellent. The ROM also ships with the Dolby Atmos, and with that the sound experience has been amazing. and you can adjust this equalizer to your preference and all that stuff. I'll leave you to it. Now talking about the benchmark in this ROM, you can see here that this ROM scores 730 to 4 in the single core score and 1667 in the multi-core score in the Geekbench 6 CPU benchmark. And in the CPU stress test, the CPU throttled to 85% of its maximum performance, so it's pretty decent. I'll say it's not extraordinary or something, but it works. Now this ROM ships with the Meraki kernel by default. Let me show you. Like you can see here, this device ships with the Meraki kernel by default, and with that everything has been buttery smooth. Like every app works just fine, and the memory management of this ROM is also exceptional. Like it can hold up to 8 to 9 applications in memory without any problem. Even MIUI struggles with this kind of thing, so there's that. And I've been testing this ROM for like 4 to 5 days, and I've seen that the memory management of this ROM is excellent. And the stability, overall stability of this ROM is also excellent. There were no crashes, there were no random reboots or anything like that. So if you want to try this ROM, especially for the stability, this ROM comes under my recommended list and you can try it. It is a thumbs up from me, and the fingerprint also works just fine. So there's that. And on that note, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye now.